Isang pang malakasan na budget phone na naman ang dumating dito sa atin. And I have here is the IQOO Z9 Turbo. Marami nagtataka kung bakit di ako dumiretso sa Turbo Plus. There's always a reason why. Dahil this one has a Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, 6,000 mAh of battery with 80 watts of fast charging, 144Hz ang kanyang screen refresh rate. This one is running Origin OS 4 inside Android version 14. And best of all, natuwa ako sa kanyang camera despite being a gaming phone. And best yet, it's below 20,000 pesos. Convinced? Don't go away after this quick intro. Now ito, IQOO Z9 Turbo na may 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gig of storage is currently priced at around 18,000 pesos and pwede dito mabili sa UKDB Gadgets or on the verified links that I'll be posting on the description box below. Paalala lang, this is a China ROM phone and not a global ROM phone. But if you want to know kung paano install Google Play Store, punta lang sa V App Store, type in nyo lang ang Google Play Store, update, and you're done. Now, I would say na itong phone ito is very simple. Yung kanyang design is very simple, yung kanyang camera bump is very simple, and best yet dito sa likod is matte finish kanyang likod, and hindi makanto kanyang gilid. What I like naman dito sa kanyang frames, despite being a plastic frame, matte finish siya, so medyo makapit naman siya on my grip. Now, this one is IP64, now dust and water resistant, but I advise na huwag na ilulublub sa tubig. What I like din dito sa kanya is maliit ang kanyang punch hole, and quite thin din ang kanyang bezel. Panalo. Flat lang ang kanyang screen sa harap, it's not a curved screen, but I'm not quite sure kung anong glass protection na meron nito. Overall, solid ang feel ko dito sa aking kamay and I kinda like it. Now, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, alam natin this chip is quite impressive and it was able to give me a 1.51 million points dito sa AnTuTu benchmark. And if you break it down, ito ang score na nakuha ko. 3,100 ka na loop score dito sa Wildlife Extreme with a 85% stability. This one is the biggest surprise na nakuha ko. No thermal throttling detected. Well, it is as good as it is and I would say na tinry ko naman siya na 5 times, same results na nakuha natin. Goods! Now, this phone has a big, massive battery, 6,000 mAh of battery with a 80 watts na fast charging support. I would say na charging from 0 to 100 takes you around mga 30 plus minutes to complete the full charging cycle. And what's nice din dito, kaya rin niya mag-reverse wireless charging ng 7.5 watts. Now, if you ask me kung kaya naman ito magtagal ng one whole day without charging, kaya as long as you're using it normally, wala kang maging problema dito, provided na walang heavy gaming and walang heavy video chatting. Now, nung sinalang ko to sa PC Mark na battery stress test, nag-fail siya ng 3 times, I don't know why. So, ginawa naman natin ang manual testing. And I was able to get a 16 hours and 55 minutes na screen on time, which is for me pretty solid. Under 50% brightness and 60 Hz screen refresh rate. Now, one of the good things na gusto ko din dito sa kanya is kanyang display. This one has a 6.78-inch na AMOLED display na may 144Hz screen refresh rate and ang kanyang pinaka-maximum brightness is 4,500 nits. Meron siyang 90% na screen-to-body ratio which is, well, I would say na okay siya kasi manipis sa kanyang bezel. And I simply love yung experience dito while I'm scrolling on my favorite socials dito, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or sa TikTok. Okay na okay, smooth naman ang aking every single transition. Wala kang magiging problema dito. And this one also has a level 1 na Wi-Fi security level so you can watch HD sa Netflix and on other online streaming apps. Nanonood ako ng video dito naman sa YouTube, expect mo na magandang ka ng display. Wala kang magiging problema dahil the black is blacker and the colors are quite punchy naman. Now, itong phone na ito has 2 loudspeaker. Isa dito sa ilalim and the other one coming from your earpiece here. So, patugtog lang tayo. Uy, quite loud and solid ang kanyang sounds and I would say na halos kaya naman na tumapat sa mga flagship phones. To my surprise, malakas ang kanyang sounds. Naglaro ako ng 4 games dito sa phone na ito. Playing Honor of Kings, Call of Duty Mobile, Farlight 84, and Genshin Impact. And look guys, so meron akong widget na nahanap dito galing sa kanyang game space. And dito naka-host lahat ng aking games, which is for me, okay na okay siya. No? Ang cute lang ng widget na ito. You should use this one too. Pagdating sa Honor of Kings, this is probably one of the first few times na nilaro ko tong game na ito. I'll be honest with you. And I would say the gameplay was okay. Halos wala akong masyado na feel na frame drops and setting it to all high settings sa mga kaya na ito. It it was really smooth. The gameplay was okay, touch response was okay, and wala akong magiging problema dito. Wala akong na-feel halos na frame drop. So, since it's a Snapdragon 8s Gen 3, and pinakamainit na naabot ko dito after 30 minutes of gameplay, it's around 42 degrees Celsius. Moving on to Farlight 84, sinet ko rin siya sa all high settings, and the gameplay was okay. For the first 20 minutes was smooth. Then, nung pumapatak na halos siguro mga magkakalating oras na ako, medyo na-feel ko may kunting frame drops. Pero, it was just minimal. Siguro mga 2 beses ko na-feel while I was playing, no? And the touch response was okay. Wala akong maging problema dito. The sounds was good. And the gameplay is quite smooth, no? I was able to play 3 matches in 1 hour. And pinakamainit na naabot ito, surprisingly, is 42 degrees Celsius. Call of Duty Mobile, equally setting to all high settings. Okay na okay siyang ganang gameplay. I was happy with this one. And to my surprise, ang ganda ng kanyang sounds dito. The touch response ng screen was really fast. And I have no problem playing VR matches dito. And the experience was really good. And pinakamainit na na-achieve niya dito is around 41 degrees Celsius after 30 minutes. Genshin Impact. Itong game na ito, I would say na this phone can really handle the Genshin Impact. Playing 30 minutes non-stop dito sa game na ito and medyo along heavy battles, wala akong masyado na feel na frame drops dito sa kanya. Setting to high na graphical settings and 60 frames per second, it was able to give me a really good experience dito sa kanya. Kahit medyo heavy battle na siya, wala ka masyadong ma-feel na frame drops. And the sounds dito is quite good and the touch response is okay. Pinakamainit na na-achieve na dito after 30 minutes of gameplay is 47 degrees Celsius. Now, probably one of the surprise factor dito is yung kanyang camera. This phone has a 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS and a 8MP na ultra-wide lens. It can shoot you up to 4K and 60. And kanyang front-facing camera is 16MP which can shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps. So one thing na napansin ko dito sa phone na ito is solid ang kanyang camera. This is basically more of a gaming phone, but yung kanyang camera can really perform. Now take a look at some of this outdoor shot na nakuha natin. Very smooth, very nice, and masabi natin, though medyo saturated ang kanyang colors, but it is better this way kasi maganda i-post to sa Instagram, sa Facebook. And once a shinare mo, talagang makakagather to ng more likes than your ordinary phones. And in some simple shot like this one, mabibilib ka talaga sa ganda ng performance ng camera. And more outdoor shot, I would say na definitely magandang ganda performance. Sharp na sharp mga photos na makukuha natin. If you're trying low light and indoor photography, I would say na these shots are really something. Maganda yung kanyang pagka-dramatic effects sa mga shots na nakuha natin. And I really love it on some of these shots. Really good. So habang nagbubuffet tayo, was able to try to take some of these shots. I would say some of these shots are really nice. Ang bilis naman mag-focus ka ng camera. And some of these shots are really nice and yummy naman. Lalo na itong oyster na ito. And further taking some more food shot, I would say na talagang kayang-kaya mo perform itong camera ito. Kaya makipagsabayan sa mga upper mid-rangers. And kung mga flower shots na mga pinag-usapan natin on indoor, well, very snappy ang mga shots na ito. Now if you're playing with kind of ultra-wide shot, this is how it looks like on indoor, normal. And this is a 2x zoom shot. Masabi ko sa inyo, after zooming for 2x, quite clear ang kanang photo. Eh mapapansin mo na medyo iba ang color ng kalalabasan ng kanyang ultra-wide shot and kanyang normal shot. Medyo mas puti ang shot dito sa normal and medyo mas a little bit more yellow tint dito pagdating sa ultra-wide. Now, pag night photography na pinag-uusapan, itong camera kaya din makipagsabayan. Ginamit ko kanyang night mode and I was able to take in some nice shots as well. Now, usapang selfie naman tayo. Pagdating sa outdoor, you'll be able to get in some really nice shot and well, makinis ang aking mukha which I like, but hindi siya masyadong OA naman ang pagkakinis. And more outdoor shot, looks really nice and pretty solid. I would say, okay. I love the way yung pag-attack na sa selfie, but you can always turn off yung kanyang beautification. Pagdating naman sa indoor low light, though ma-feel mo a little bit soft, but still solid pa rin mga selfie na nakuha natin from the indoor. And I'm pretty sure na you'd love taking selfies with the IQOO Z9 Turbo. Using the front-facing camera, it's a little bit shaky. Hindi naman siya garapala ng shake niya, though it was able to capture some really nice video, but medyo nakakahilo konti. And pagdating naman sa rear camera, I would say na sharp, mabilis na mag-focus, and quite stable naman ang kanang video dito. So definitely you'll be able to use this one as your vlogging camera. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa IQOO Z9 Turbo? Ang dami nasasabi sa inyo kung ba't di ako dumiretso na sa Plus. There's a reason why. Kasi alam natin na mas efficient ang Qualcomm Snapdragon na chip. It's, mas optimized based on my experience and mas mura siya kaysa kay Turbo Plus. So why make the big jump? Medyo may kunting kalayo ang kanyang presyo. This one you can buy it at around mga 18,000 pesos. Si Turbo Plus, mabibili mo at around mga 22,000 pesos. So there's still a 4,000 pesos difference. I would say that this one is quite good enough para sa akin, personally. Camera is good, game experience was good, and I love the way it is kasi sobrang okay siya. Very simple phone, yet very powerful. And I highly recommend this phone para sa mga naghahanap ng phone below 20,000 pesos. It can really give you a good gaming experience. Plus camera-wise din. So if you want to know kung saan na pwede mabili to, binili ko to sa UKDB Gadgets or pwede nyo check mga verified links ko on the description box below. Iwas tayo scam kasi malapit na magpapasko. So if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends, and a sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito, and for one of my popular uploads, click here.